tips to assist prevent coronavirus infection and illness. A human coronavirus is usually spread through respiratory droplets within the air from a diseased person, close personal contact, or by touching a surface with the virus on it. You'll take steps to guard yourself and stop the spread of the virus by washing your hands often, not touching your face, cleaning frequently touched surfaces, avoiding close contact with sick people, and practicing good respiratory hygiene. There is currently no vaccine to stop illness from coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19, therefore the best thanks to prevent infection and illness is to avoid being exposed to the virus. The human coronavirus is usually spread from an infected person through respiratory droplets generated when coughing or sneezing, or close personal contact like touching or shaking hands, consistent with the Government of Canada. The virus is additionally spread when someone touches a surface with the virus thereon, then touches their mouth, nose or eyes before washing their hands thoroughly. Here are steps you'll go for protect yourself and your loved ones and stop the spread of coronavirus. 1. Clean your hands often. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water for a minimum of 20 seconds, says HealthLink BC. If soap and water aren't readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains a minimum of 60 alcohol. Cleaning your hands often helps to lower your risk of infection and reduce the spread of infection to others. 2. Avoid touching your face. Take special care to not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands, since these are the four most likely ways for the virus to enter your body, advises the World Health Organization. 3. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Potentially contaminated surfaces may include tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets and sinks, says the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. 4. Keep a secure distance from sick people. Maintain a secure distance of a minimum of 2 meters between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing, since the virus is assumed to spread between people that are within that distance. 5. Avoid sharing personal items with others. Don't share food, drinks, glasses, utensils, towels and other home items with others. 6. Practice good respiratory hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose together with your elbow or tissue once you cough or sneeze. Get rid of the used tissue and immediately wash your hands for a minimum of 20 seconds, advises Mayo Clinic. 7. Greet without physical contact. Greet people with a friendly wave, smile, nod, or bow. 8. Stay in, if you are feeling sick. Avoid close contact with others if you are feeling unwell. If you've got a cough or fever, seek medical attention. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.